Never skip an Hermes airport. We're gonna do a quick Hermes airport haul. 2 little mini bags. And this is everything else that I got, which I'll do in a full haul and individual hauls of each of them. Sorry, not sorry. First, today we're gonna do airport. Paris airport, first day opening of the new store. Got lucky with 2 little things. So, one super rare mini, one other mini, regular mini. Hello. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, shopaholic. Today we're doing a quick Hermes airport haul. Never skip an Hermes airport. 2 little bags I got from the airport before Fashion Week in March. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash that like button. Please consider subscribing and keep on watching, okay? So I went to the airport one. This was the first day of their new airport. They had remodeled and opened the store. So it was like a big opening. There were a lot of people. All the staff was there. The managers were there, everything like that. And so I thought I'd get very lucky. And I went in. I have a relationship there. I've shopped a lot there. So I thought I would just go in and try. And it was the morning of the grand opening. So I thought I had the best chance. So I went in, I talked, I schmoozed, and I walked out with these 2 munchkins. So let's unbox them and yeah. Okay, so I filmed, I unboxed, I changed, I went to sleep, and now we're doing this another day. So everything else is gone. But let's do the 2 little bags. 2 little munchkins. This one's super rare, limited edition little tiny bag, and then this regular tiny bag, mini bag. Show. Can you guess what this is from the box? It's a very small bag. The tiniest of tiniest bags. And I've actually never seen this, and I've actually never gotten this. Even this bag in the regular size I've never gotten, but especially in this micro. Can I call it micro? I guess it was a micro size. Look how cute. It is. Actually, it should have come in a blue box, I feel like. A little bolide bag charm. Yes, but a bag. You could totally fit some stuff in there and wear it as a little wristlet. Look at that. Or you could take the strap off and wear it as a little clutch. Hello, going out to dinner. Just need my car keys and 1 card. Actually, a card probably wouldn't have been here. Maybe not. Don't need any cards. Somebody else is paying. Mints, car key, somebody else is driving. Mints and mints. And then the other one, which will go well with this, which I've had before. If you know the box size, you know the bag. Is, do you know? I feel like you know. Another one to my collection. An Evelyne 16 with gold palladium hardware. An Evelyne 16 with palladium hardware, which is different from the one that I have with gold hardware, which I also got from the airport, funnily enough. So thank you, airport, for both of these. So if you want this bag, try at the airport because I got 2. And look, it would go on right there, like that, or like that. The leathers are different, so the color kind of comes off a little differently, but I think this is Swift. It could work as a cool little bag charm and a little extra pocket to keep your stuff in. It even has feet. It is a bag. It has feet. Okay? That means you gotta be delicate when you put it down. Okay. That's what it would look like. And you can keep the little things in here and then all the other things in here. But if you want to keep like certain very like important things in here, even like jewelry or like, and you don't want it to be, you know, safe from the Evelyne. Okay. That's all. This was silly. But that was my first thing. That's why I always say never skip an Hermes airport, because I got something super cool and limited edition that I've never seen in the store. I've never gotten in the store. I've never been able to get in the store. I've never asked for it, but I've never even been shown it, or, you know, I feel like this is super. I've never seen these. And these are getting harder to get too, I feel like. I'm very lucky that I have what I have. Anyway, okay, that's all I got. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you guys like these kind of videos. I hope you can't see my crotch right now. Sorry. Anyway, that's all I got. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please share it with your friends and family. If you hated it, share it with your enemies and exes. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious, so I appreciate you spending your time here with me. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.